Yo, what it do? It's your boy Bug, and I'm here with my first video, man. So today, I'm gonna be using a high proficiency Maria build. Me personally, I never use stealth or anything like that. I'm normally just high proficiency and high endurance, and honestly, I find this one to be the best build. So I'm gonna be using highly skilled for extra proficiency, ran track for endurance, and bomb squad, you know, to get through to any of those traps. So here's my skill tree. When it comes to this part of the build, you can really do it any way you want, but I chose to do it this way just so I could get the ability when the solar goes off and you get to detect the family twice. So if you want to follow the skill tree, here it is. Y'all go ahead and put it in. Hey, major pause. And I'm going to show you why this is the best build to use in the game. And you guys have any other builds y'all want me to run with, y'all drop them in the comments and make sure y'all drop a follow. Let's get it.
That three is crazy.
Yeah,
first game on.
They going on. They going up there.
They're talking about going at 3?
Yeah, they going in over here 3.
Oh yeah, I see that shit. Alright, let's get to it. What you going for?
I'm trying to jump out the window, but I don't know if I should do that since they got hitchhiker. I don't know if you're gonna put his traps outside the window.
I might need one more bones. One more tool.
I'm opening.
I got the ladder door done.
Level fence lair.
Open that door.
I think they're putting a trap right there right now.
Yeah.
Why is it so dark now?
You don't look like one of them.
Somebody.
I'm sure you want bars first. Yeah.
I think that nigga Hitches put a trap by the white door. Or Grandpa.
I got this.
They just fed him. Yeah. That nigga jumped out the window.
I jumped out the window.
Hitch coming. Hold on. I think, no, you're not. He's hitching the house. No, he's coming out, though.
Is he coming out?
I'm not sure.
Did anybody come out? Could have been kicked in. Nah, somebody out here now. I think, or I'm just because I'm close to the house.
I got Sissy on me. Oh, yeah. I'm out the well.
Bro, I could have been kicked in. Oh my god.
Ain't
I'm
nobody
running
over
over there now. No, nobody even came outside. But they got hands, so you gonna rip this out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm kicking it right now. He didn't put no traps anywhere.
How are you alive?
That's clutch, though. If he rips, you get in the front?
Nah, on the side. Yeah, he about to turn Jen off right now.
Alright. If you need to, I'm gonna do fuse. I'm gonna try.
Leave me alone, please. Oh God, thank you. I need this.
I'm not gonna try to run over there. Cause as soon as I get close to it, wait. I could have probably escaped. Actually, he's not even going for it. Oh god, I'm about to go. Or did he turn it on already?
If you get stuck, I'm going for fuse.
I need some help anyway. Oh, he did turn it back on already. I need to get a help bottle anyways.
Fuse in. Quick math. 10.
He outside. What is this bottle at?
I'm slow.
I'm out there at the well then.
I'm slow.
So he's still outside. Yeah, we good. We straight then. And I got a barge.
You staying by the stairs?
Oh, shit.
Hold that, little bro.
I just came down right now. Oh, there you go.
He tried to hit me. No, sir. No, sir. Knock on. I hit the wheel. Get up. Get up. I'm on the way, nah.
Shit, I'm
Oh,
on
he
the
poisoned
way.
the gas. I'm dead. Oh,
That's
I'm
right.
dizzy.
That's right.
Oh, I'm
That's
dizzy.
right. I got a barge. I got a barge.
Oh, yeah. Run this over,
Oh,
gang.
shoot. Bro,
Run this over.
I'm dizzy. I can't even get to the door.
No! Hit this over.
Get out the
Yeah! Game 2. We got Leatherface hands hit. Good work.
Who's that screaming? This should open that door.
Let me do that.
Damn.
Whoa. He just talked for 1 second and got put in the pack. Come on, gang. You supposed to be a PC player. You supposed to be a swag.
Man. I want left door to Jen already.
To Jim?
Yeah.
That worked. I can get through here.
Try to be hitch out.
Hitch is chasing Connie right now.
Yep. If you want to come through that, you can keep Jen.
I gotta get back over there. I gotta get over there.
I knew this would work.
I mean, kind of like the worst spot to be trying to sneak over there, to be honest.
No trap. I'm doing left door.
And Grandpa right there. You're feeding him right now.
Okay. Who's being hitched?
Hitch? I think I was hands that's feeding him.
I'm probably gonna kick Jen first.
Show ass down. Oh, move. Oh. I'm about to die.
So you come back in?
Oh, they whooping on me. Wait, I'm stuck.
Jen is off.
I'm getting chased by Hitch. I'm not gonna make him grill.
High proficiency?
I'm about to get out of here because I think Leatherface coming to chase me right now. Yep, I'm dead.
Damn. Look at Hands bitch ass. He a hoe. Nope.
Someone, please.
Quick speed runs.
It's 90 degrees outside.
90 only 90? Nigga, it's 110 here. Fuck you talking about?
All right, shut that up.
What the fuck is you talking about? We ain't here
All
fucking.
that whining over there. Man, you know you can't go outside till it's 6. You want to have some fun. I can't even go fishing for real. I don't want to get. I'm too black to be getting burnt already. I can't get burned again. I
Niggas
was
talking
black.
about.
I was black
Niggas
as
dead
hell
ass
in
talking
high
about
school.
going fishing in a fucking desert.
Talking about 90.
Hey, hurry up.
Nigga,
Not
it's
good.
still hot, the fuck?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's warm.
Shit.
That's warm.
Shit. Nah, I be
Hey, Jay. What the fuck is you on, my nigga?
Oh, shut up talking to me.
No, we're not gonna stop talking to you.
Fuck nigga. Hurry up.
I leave. Don't dare talk to me.
This should open the door.
I like messing with Jay. It's like a highlight of the day.
Fuck Jay.
Nigga, fuck you too.
Yeah.
I lock in.
All right, somebody better not come this way. You already know what time it is. They call me defensive player of the year.
What position was that nigga leaving? Does anybody know?
He gotta be a linebacker.
Who is it? Oh!
Oh!
It's poison!
Oh! Don't come back. Don't come here.
Where you at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at?
I told you stop playing with me.
Bro, I'm dead. Oh my god, I can't play this shit.
Did you
Where
run
at?
into Johnny when I knocked him down?
No, I fucking grabbed
Why
the
is Sissy down
stupidest
here?
Poison. Cause she is.
Johnny found my footprints. You ain't never just thirsty, but they're thirsty. Whoever upstairs got the whole upstairs to themselves right now.
I'm dead, to be honest with you.
Who,
Really can't even do nothing.
who is Bridget? Is Sissy on you?
I need help. Oh my god, I'm about to throw this controller already.
Alright, well I'm kicking Jen.
Did you jump out? Did you jump out the window? Or you open the
No,
door?
I went out the sitting door room.
Fucking
The left door?
bro. I can't stand this shit.
Yeah.
Jay, if I knew that was you, I would have came and fought her for you. That's right. Your contribution will always be recognized.
Pussy. Oh, he's lunging! Oh, head right here! I'm dead. I'm dead. Hit me again. Hit me again. Come on. Come on.
He's standing in front of you.
Oh, yes. Yes. Come on. Come on. Don't down me. Don't down me. Don't down
Where
me.
you at?
Don't down me.
Where you at, bud?
Don't down me.
He leaving. He out.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
No, I'm not, Jay. Oh. Yeah. All right. Try it again, guys. We're at Nancy's house.
They got a they changed.
Oh, they changed it.
Oh no, sir. She got a scan from the bathroom. I didn't realize I was Connie. I'm mad. You mean you gotta be over here, right? Yeah. Are we making noise? What we doing?
Yeah, do you?
I'm on the stage right now.
So it really don't matter.
Oh, finally.
In your favorite song.
All I know is if I get chased in this funky fucking basement, I will be killed. Who is this by me collecting fucking bones quiet as fuck?
Finally. A way through. Got one.
Hitchhiker above us in garden side.
They're gonna
Sissy just poisoned the man cave door. That's odd.
I think Hitchhiker putting traps all over your garden side.
Who Leland is? You know?
Random.
Nah, I'm Connie right now.
No.
Yeah, I hear a hitch over there by bottom.
I got the stairs to the house unlocked.
Look at Connie.
Let's go, Nyland.
See that? You got cheeks for real. I think hands over here. My controller's vibrating.
Make sure everything opens before we get stuck on one
Oh,
spot.
yep, he definitely is. Fucking weirdo.
Oh, I hear him. Oh Lord.
I had a sweet talking
How
down
did I
I
phone.
still
don't like
get
how he
hit
know.
by that, bro?
I don't like all that moaning and groaning he be doing.
Oh my. How am I through? Man, how am I through the fucking crack and I still get hit? Can he get rated?
I don't know, but he's the one person that constantly hits me like 2 times through the crack every time.
He's in the basement too.
It never fails. Oh, okay.
God.
Well, we on the far side, so we need to.
Got a battery?
No, we in
Yeah,
sewers.
we in sewers. I know Hands probably gonna come up right here too. No cook.
What the
Bro,
fuck?
Somebody
is-
right here.
Leland only have 350. Bro.
He was in the house. I unlocked the house door. Not the house door. The
Bro, my health is gonna be half from one One hit. Oh, I gotta find a little.
So where's this view?
This
Did you
can't
do
be-
a side? Do you still
No.
do the side? The ladder?
I
Ladder
might
book,
be
I mean?
wrong, but I'm pretty sure Hitch just put a trap in the basement.
No, you're not wrong. You
I'm
probably
walking
did.
towards Leatherface, and I hear him say, "This one's gonna catch him." Yeah.
I'm in the house picking the front door.
Okay, hands is what door you went through?
Garage, the stairs.
The
Well, we
stairs.
went-
Okay, I think hands coming up there with you right now.
Is he?
Oh my!
I think
Bro,
yeah.
I didn't
Leland got
see
his
it.
bars though, so hopefully Leland can use that
I
shit.
just took a poison health
Wait, are you
bottle.
y'all out?
Yeah, I'm doing the front
about-
gate.
Okay. If anything, y'all fight. If y'all both fight him, I have my what's it call it.
I'm good. Get done.
Gracias a Dios.
Hand is out here though.
I know.
Someone, please.
Yes, sir.